Here we have the great chicken biryani, the favorite of all. Here we start with four-piece leg and thigh chicken that cut individually. So there's four drumstick and four thighs, so that's 8 piece total. And we'll put some yogurt for as the binder. Now we get the ginger garlic paste that's homemade, so it's not really well crushed. We just do it our own, and turmeric powder. Yes, to get all the flavors good. And of course, about half a spoon of masala. For now, we're gonna add more later. All right. And then, of course, we salt it up a bit, just a bit, just to make sure there's good taste in the chicken. About a teaspoon of salt, and then we mix this good so that the chicken can marinate. Ideally, you can do this like an hour before or at least 30 minutes, but some prefer to do it overnight, so that's actually good. Okay, now start here with the pan has to be flat at the bottom to help cook the rice better. All right, so now we oil it up. There you go. Okay, that's getting good. Now we put the sliced onions. We don't wait until the oil is really too hot, because the moment it gets too hot, the moment you when you put the onion, it actually burns it up quickly. It turns it brown. And we're trying to get all the uniform colors here so that every single piece is brown. So now it's getting better. We're gonna mix some more. So we slowly raise the heat. Now that they're individually, getting uncleaned, or they're falling apart. Now we can actually raise the temperature a bit so we can speed up the browning to get it all good. Now there you can see it's all brown, but we still try to mix it so that every single piece is cooked well. All right. Yes, mix some more. Okay, that's so it looks good. It smells really really good. Okay, now we get a few of this, like at least half of it. We set it aside. It's for garnish later. We're gonna put this aside a bit more. Yes. All right. Okay. Now we leave the rest on the pot. Now we cut a few slices of tomatoes. We put that in, and so we mix it so that it all gets cooked well and get fried good. Don't worry, the full recipe will be in the description below. I got you guys. Okay, we'll mix some more until the tomato is soft. But we also put the rest of the ginger and garlic paste so that we use all of it now. Mix it some more. Now it's starting to smell really, really pleasant, really good actually. Wish you can smell this. And so that's why you gotta try making this, because it's really, really pleasant and wonderful. Okay, more chili powder. You can add more, but my sister doesn't like hot food or hot spices, so we tone it less. Now masala, some more, about half a spoon. All right. Now we mix it again, so get all the flavors mixed up and really good. All right. Yep, that's looking good, and it smells really, really good. Trust me. Okay, now we can drop the chicken in piece by piece, so that it gets cooked really well. Slowly put it there. And they put all the juices on the pot. Everything that we used to marinate, like the yogurt and all that, we put it there so that it's gonna taste really, really good later. We're not gonna waste any flavors. There you go. All right. Now we got to get this settled in so that it can cook and start slowly boiling. Okay, here, let's arrange it well. Mix it a bit. All right, there. Okay, now we let it boil for a bit. Cover it for 3 minutes. Now you see it's starting to smell good. It's starting to look really, really good. Now mix it a bit more just to make sure every single size of the chicken is cooked. Yes. Okay, we cover it again. Getting there almost. For just 2 minutes now. Okay. Now you see it's boiling really good. It's cooking really well, right? Chicken usually don't take too long to cook, but this has to have good flavor. So we leave it covered good. We check if it's getting cooked, if you feel the meat. Alright. Covered some more. This time for 10 minutes until so the meat starts to fall off the bone. Oh yeah, now it's smelling good now. Oh, let's check if it's cooked. Yeah, actually now it's good now. So we're gonna get at least 3 pieces of chicken. We'll show you later what we're gonna do with it. So let me get all the 3-piece drumsticks. So there's one more left on the pot. Because there's 4 pieces of drumstick and 4 pieces of thigh part. Okay, get 3. Now let's get some juices or some of the gravy. We're gonna save this, a few of it, for garnish later. You'll see. Alright, set that aside. Okay, now it's good. Now we put a layer of, basmati rice. It's actually 70% cooked. We cooked this earlier with water and of course a bit of seasoning to get it to taste good. We put a layer here. We cover all the chicken and gravy good. Alright. Now we get the 3-piece drumsticks that we got. We put it there on the middle. Okay, one more. Alright. Now we put the rest of the basmati rice. So that is all covered and good. Because this is 70% or 80% cooked, so we have to cook it still here in the pot really good. So now it's flattened good. We get the fried onions that we did earlier for garnish on top. Here you go. Now it looks really really good, right? And if you remember, we took some sauce earlier, right? Put it there. Now it looks beautiful. Oh, and it smells really really good. This is crazy. I mean, this is really awesome. Okay, we cover it. So now we let it cook for like about 20 to 30 minutes so that the rice gets cooked really well. And now it looks really, really good. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be an extremely good lunch or dinner. If you guys gotta try it, it's gonna be really, really awesome. Oh, and I wish you guys could smell it. It smells really, really good, really great. All right. And yes, of course, usually on the end screen we put another video. So we have the butter chicken masala. So you guys want to check that out. It's over there on the end screen. Of course, if you haven't, hit the subscribe button so you can enjoy all the rest of the cookies that I do. So thank you guys.